This video goes over how to start a proposal in Lightspeed and basic navigation in Aurora. You have to generate a lead to sell a deal in Lightspeed. Make sure you're on the leads page. On this pop-up, all that you need to enter is the name and address. The rest of the information on the screen will be required later as you progress through the application. Next, click Create Lead at the bottom of the screen. On this next screen, you have the option to create different types of deals. The first, Aurora Proposals, allows you to create customer-owned solar systems through Aurora. The second, Sunrun Proposal, allows you to create a power purchase agreement through Sunrun. On this training, we are doing a customer purchase solar system using financing. Let's click New Aurora Proposal. You will confirm the information you added from the prior steps. Verify the PIN is on the correct house. If it's not on the correct house, you can click outside this pop-up or go back to leads. Go back into your lead, use the edit icon at the top of the screen, change the address, save the lead, click on New Aurora Proposal again, enter the customer phone number and email. If all the information is correct, scroll down and click Confirm. Clicking Confirm opens the Aurora Sales Presentation software in a new tab. Lightspeed sends the lead information over to Aurora. If we were to close Aurora right now, we can get back to our proposal by going to our lead and clicking Edit Proposal. The Aurora Proposal starts in a mode called Sales Mode, which is the start of the presentation. At this point, you could start doing a presentation with a customer. An Aurora Proposal does a few important things for your sale. First, you enter the energy usage. Second, it builds an initial design for panel placement. Third, it helps you determine the customer cost and adders. Lastly, the proposal helps you make sure that your price per watt is correct so that you get paid. Before we start a proposal, let's go over what is on the screen. There is a drop-down menu of slides. Each item you see here is a potential slide that you can show the customer. You can turn on and off slides at the bottom of this menu with Edit. There are a few slides you can't turn off because they are required for all sales. These are indicated without a toggle button. The required slides are energy usage, system design, financing, and bill overview. All the other slides are optional. I'm going to turn the others off. Clicking Done. Many sales reps build their own presentations instead of showing those optional slides. When you go back to the drop-down menu of slides, you will see only the slides you selected to show. In this scenario, we are only showing the required slides. When you are ready to start going through a presentation, you can click on the Next Step button, which can be found on the top right of each screen. On this page, the Next Step button is labeled Start Proposal, which takes you to the energy usage slide. You can also access the energy usage slide through the drop-down menu to start the proposal. On each screen of the presentation, you can also find the dollar symbol to set the net price per watt and update adders. Also on each screen, there is an Exit to CRM button. Clicking this tells the software you have completed all the steps of the presentation and are ready to submit the proposal. Exit to CRM starts the process of converting the lead to a project in Lightspeed. If you click Exit to CRM at this point, you will be blocked because the software does a few checks to make sure things are set up correctly. Also on each page, you have a current offset for the system design. We have not entered energy usage and have not decided on the number of panels at this point, so this value will say 0 for now. Aurora Help Center resources is also found on each page. Later in the presentation, you will need to be aware of the Apply Now button for soft credit checks on the financing screen. There are no current validations to make sure if you have chosen financing that you have run the soft credit check. There are no current validations to make sure if you have chosen financing that you have run the soft credit check. Yes, you can do it at other points in time, but it gets tricky and will cause you more work. Those are the main navigation things and buttons that you need to understand to get started with the software. The next video will walk you through 2 slides, adding energy usage and system design.